How to get Mudae Bot on your Discord server. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can get Mudae Bot on your Discord server. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, head over to top.gg. After you're on top.gg, all you have to do is search for Mudae. So hit enter and you should find the bot available. Let me type that again here. It's right here. So let's open that up. And all you now need to do is tap on this invite button. Here you can see what this bot does. You can read through that. Tap on invite and it'll take you to this page and you can continue to your Discord by tapping on continue to Discord. Then here you can see which server you want to add it to. Select your server, then tap on continue. Then here you can confirm what you want to grant Mudae. The following permissions right here are available. So tap on authorize, then go through the captcha. And after you go to the captcha, you will have added Mudae to your Discord server. You can check that as well. So here you can see it's already been added. So yeah, that's basically how you do it. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.